Hey everybody, today I'm here to talk to you guys about some pretty exciting news in regards to the Orlando area theme parks. So Universal Orlando Resort will begin its phased reopening on June 5th. They actually will be opening to team members on the 1st and the 2nd as like a run through, and then annual pass holders on the 3rd and the 4th. I couldn't really find any information on either, although I believe for annual pass holders, certain annual pass holders are getting like a sign up link. So other than that, I don't really know much. They are not doing, starting on the 5th, they are not doing any reservation systems. They've said at the moment that they're not. So Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure will be open from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Universal Orlando's Volcano Bay will be open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Universal Orlando's CityWalk will be open from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. Now Universal has opened their CityWalk area, I believe it opened on the 14th, and so it's been about a week or so, and they've been testing out different measures in regards to safety of both their guests and their team members. So when you get on property, you actually have to have your temperature taken, and then you will have to wear a mask. That is something that they are promoting very heavily, and the mask does have to cover both the nose and the mouth area unless you have purchased. So for CityWalk example, they have the Twosome Chocolate Factory, and you could get like a milkshake from there to go, or Starbucks to go, and be like drinking that, and you don't have to wear your mask during that time. But if you finished your shake, or if you finished your drink, or if you don't have any like food or beverage, or if you're not smoking, you do need to be wearing your mask. It's to keep both the team members and other guests safe. I have also read that on the water rides in Volcano Bay, you will not need to wear them, but I couldn't find any other information in regards to that. I'm sure more will come out as the previews go on to find out, you know, testing wise. But yeah, it's very exciting, slightly nerve-wracking. I'm excited to see how Universal handles it, of course. I have seen some video footage of different markers being put down on the, like in different areas around the parks, which has been pretty cool, like helicopter footage. And then Universal has also made note that it will be a limited capacity reopening. They've not stated how much capacity, but they have stated that it will be limited. They also will be implementing a virtual line experiences on select attractions, and they also say that they will have social distancing implemented throughout both the queues, the restaurants, as well as throughout the park, which will impede, in my mind, it'll impede the amount of capacity, but since they're doing a limited capacity, it should help even out. I'm interested to see which attractions will have virtual line experiences, since in the two dry parks, Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, only three attractions have it. Pteranodon Flyers has it, Fast and Furious has it, and Escape from New York starring Jimmy Fallon has it. In Volcano Bay, all the attractions there are virtual, basically like virtual line, so which will be perfect for this scenario. They haven't, and I will link the Universal Orlando website because they have a huge FAQ page with tons of information on it. In regards to what is currently open at Universal Orlando CityWalk, Cinnabon, Starbucks, Cold Stone, Red Oven Pizza Bakery, Bubba Gump, Auntie Anne's, Voodoo Donuts, Vivo, Hot Dog Hall of Fame, Margaritaville, and Twosome. And when I say Twosome, I mean the entire Twosome area. The chocolate, the soda, the milkshake shop, like the quick service milkshake location, the full restaurant, as well as the candy shop. Those are all open. And then there's a few stores open. So the airbrush shop is open. There's a sock shop that's open. The Universal Studios store is open, as well as a few Universal Orlando kiosks. Something I don't know if I've mentioned before, but the fossil store has closed at Universal Orlando CityWalk, so that's not open obviously, but yeah. If you're looking to go to Universal Orlando either once the park opens on the 5th or just to go to CityWalk and you don't own a face mask, they actually have them for purchase, as well as hand sanitizer in one of the like kiosk area. So they are available for purchase. Right now they don't have any Universal themed ones, but they are coming in the like upcoming weeks. I'm hoping for a mummy one because I think it would be so cool to have it look like it's like the mummy like wraps around your face. I think that'd be really neat. But yeah, I'll link Universal Orlando's website down below. They have all the information you need. They have a full comprehensive FAQ page all about the reopening, parking, questions, concerns, Volcano Bay, Universal Isle of Adventure, covers all that sorts of things. If you guys have any questions for me, I'm gonna hopefully go soon after they open. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm hoping I will be able to, just to show you guys what it's like. Obviously, let's stay safe, let's be smart. If you aren't feeling well, don't push it. You do have to have a temperature under, I think it's 104. You do have to have a temperature under 104 to enter property, and if you don't, you will, and your entire family will be sent away to leave. You will not be gained admission into CityWalk or any of the parks. So yeah. But yeah, leave any questions or comments you have down below. I'm hoping to head over to Disney Springs over the next few days, since I know they are doing reopenings as well, and I believe World of Disney will be opening like on Wednesday. But yeah, leave any questions or comments you guys have down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit me up on my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. And this is Bridgette's Buzz.